a radio station on DAB+, digitally on the internet, so you can receive us via 4G, 5G, and even we are on AM radio, medium wave, 747 kHz. Hans Hartman, you have quite a bit of experience in shortwave frequencies, also in medium wave frequencies.
Indeed.
It's different to create a radio station on AM compared to FM?
Yeah, of course. Because the antennas are so big, and on the FM it's very easy to mount a small antenna and you are on the air. But on medium wave, well, it's a different thing.
Yeah, because 747 kHz, that's 402 meters in the medium wave band.
That's a whole different thing.
So an antenna is a quarter wavelength?
I hope so.
Then
it would be effective.
Do you have size for a 100 meter antenna somewhere?
Not in my yard.
So it's really a challenge. And we're doing it on 747 kHz. Just try it in the Eindhoven region.